Today we're discussing DIY stamped concrete patio guide, the key factors and what to consider. First, DIY stamped concrete patio guide. Rent enough stamps to cover the width of the patio plus 2 rows. You cannot stop once you start. Next, DIY stamped concrete patio guide. Essential tips. Stamping concrete requires proper planning and enough stamps. Rent enough stamps to cover the width of the patio plus 2 rows. You cannot stop once you start. Understanding these requirements is essential for successful stamped concrete. Regarding why you need enough stamps, time critical, window of opportunity is limited. On how many stamps to rent, width of patio, enough to span full width. Buffer, ensures you have enough. Furthermore, don't run short, running short ruins the project. Moving to why you can't stop, stopping is not an option. Next, planning for success. Have help, enough workers to move quickly. Work fast, move quickly and continuously. For more information or to request a free estimate, visit localconcretecontractor.com.